Hey you guys, let's get rich now. Success, great in every area of our life. Let's do this. So anyway, I'm here talking about my sauna again. You guys like my hair? I mean, I wore it all day, so it probably look a mess right now. But I did it myself in my own salon. So you ladies out there, if you own your own home and you want to do well, I have my tongue is twisted, y'all. My tongue is twisted. You want to have your salon in your basement, a she cave, because they're all talking about men cave, a she cave. And even if you're married and you just have one room as your she cave, you know, I even seen a woman who they didn't have a house big enough to have a she cave. So her husband built her just this little square box. He built her a little something out there, and she had a rug on the floor, and she had a place where, you know, a desk or something, and where she had a little coffee, and it was so cozy and beautiful in there. I was like, whoa, this is better than some bedrooms. So definitely, but yeah, I did my own hair. Of course, I washed it. You know, I have my dryer and my steamers, and I have my let me show you guys, because you guys seen this before. I have my my salon area right here, and my chair is usually right here, but someone is sitting in it right now with the camera in their hand. So this is where I would just sit here, have all my drawers here, my drawer, and my nail polishes, and I have a lot of stuff in here where I just do my nails and stuff. And then actually in my bedroom, which I will never take you in there, I have a I forget what you call those things, but it's like one of those things where it's like a desk with a mirror and you have all your makeup and stuff. I'm like, my mind is gone right now. I've been doing too much today. But nonetheless, so I did my own hair today. Y'all, I cut a lot of it. It's not cut right because I'm not good at cutting, but I did what I could do. So you guys seen the salon before. This is where I sit and do my hair. Let me sit down. My blow dryer, and you know, I have my combs in here and stuff like that. I have my gloves, and I have a lot of different areas. You guys seen the video before of this, and my pedicure station. I sit right here in my pedicure station. Got my little sauna button, y'all. I mean, this is my massage thing. I don't know why. I gotta calm down. I'm talking too fast. Okay, this is my little massage thing. So then when I sit over here, I would sit into here. I would put a towel right here. And you see, this is some of the stuff, you know, to do my own pedicure. I do my manicure over there. I do my pedicure over here. And then this is a little drawer with all my little knickknacks in it. And if I want to have a girls' day or something like that, I have a little chair right here where I could do somebody's pedicure if I want to do their pedicure. I wash my own hair here, but because it's me, I haven't learned how to do it like this yet. So I'll be like all on top of here talking so. But no, regardless. So and I have a little TV and all that in here. But ladies, even if you just get a wash bowl in your utility room or something to wash your hair, it's so much better, because I always go to a beauty salon. They always cut too much. I grew my hair like down here. This was like last year, I think it was. And then I told the guy, you know how those guys is, and they're like, I'm not trying to be racist, but they're like all men shop, and they're from Arabian or something. They're from there. And the guy, I told him I wanted my hair to just be layered all the way going back. And he said, well, if you want it layered, he pulled my hair up like this, and he said, I have to cut it like this. And I was like, that is a lot of hair. And he said, if you want it layered. So I said, okay, I agreed, because I said I could grow it back, and it's going to make the layers look even more better and fuller. So my hair all the way up here, he all the way down here, cut it all off, and then no layers. So he destroyed the whole year, 2 years that it took me to grow that hair, wearing wigs and up styles, And so I said, you know what, I'll just do my own hair, because at least if I mess up, I'll be like, oops, girl, you done messed up. Time to start all over again, you know? But when somebody else do it, you be like, ugh. And then after he did it and it was no layers, he wouldn't even curl the curls out because he didn't want me to see that it was really no layers. And then he gonna look at me and say, you look like you want to cry. I'm looking like, okay, this man just destroyed my hair. And I know you like, oh, why did you just didn't pay him or whatever? You know what? It was a lesson learned, you know, and I could get back at somebody for something that they did bad to me, and it would just be something minor. But if I leave it in the hands of God, you know, who knows, God, the great big God. So I just let God deal with it. And you know, and sometimes, you know, in certain situations, God wants you to learn a lesson. Like, hey, you can do this. You don't have to be paying somebody $150, $200 to do your hair when you can do it better yourself. So, anyway, this is the salon. And yes, I'm going to start doing my own hair. And so, sometimes it might look whack, but I did it. It's me. It's like, yeah. So ladies, if you can get away from that salon and do your own hair, Google videos on how to do those styles, and you could be very surprised. You probably do better than the people in the shop. So anyway, let's get rich now. Success all over, full life. It's like redoing your whole life and being a better you. For yourself, for others. Let's make it happen. Peace out.